In this video, I will show you how to add text in your file. So just open a file. Now you can move your image a little bit up. After that, just click on this option, add a text object. Click on it. Now here, just remove this new text object line. Put any text you want. I'm putting it my loving family. Now click outside and it will automatically paste it here. Now to make it visible, just adjust its position, click on left and then click on the text so that you can select it. Now move it further and put it, as you can see in the front view, it's showing my loving family. You can adjust its size. You can adjust its font by clicking on this button. We have lots of font in our software. Just select anyone you want, adjust it, and then, and if you want this text as horizontally, just change its value from 0 to 9 to 0 to 90 in rotation Z option. Click enter and it will automatically shift it to 180-degree. So, but we don't need here. So click 0, adjust it, and make point cloud looks nice. And you can see also like this. Thank you.